All right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another live New York session. It is August 1st, 2023. So before we get started, let's go ahead and go to Forex Factory and check the news here. As we can see, we have some major news at 10 o'clock. So we might be catching that possibly, depending on when we get done trading in the market, if we get into a trade before 10 o'clock. But if not, we might possibly trade that. So to get started, we're going to be doing the G.S.A strategy. It's going to be a mixture of trading ranges and confirming that with the Vinny cheat code trading indicator. So to get started, we are going to turn on the cheat code indicator. And as we can see at current price, we have a cheat code buy signal here sticking out of the Bollinger Band. So if we were to trade this on the 1 hour, this would probably be a counter trade on the buy because the overall structure is bearish at this point. But we're going to be trading on the 15 minutes. So the next thing we're going to do here is we're going to figure out what is the overall trend. So when we look at the overall structure, we can see that previous swing lows constantly being broken. So it's safe to say that price is overall bearish. So let's grab our trend line here. We're going to draw a trend line. So that's all we're going to do on the 1 hour here. So now we're going to go to the 15 minute. We're going to look to see what is the current trend. We can clearly see that price is still overall bearish. As this swing low got broken, this swing low, and this swing low. Okay. So we're just going to update our trend line. Price is still bearish. You can see that. So then we're going to erase this trend line here. Then what we're going to do is we're going to look at the most recent breaker structure. So when we look at this last move here, it started from this swing low to this swing high. And we see a breaker structure right here, or really even right here. So we'll just say around this area. So let's mark up our trading ranges. So this is going to be our swing low. This is going to be our swing high. And this is going to be our breaker structure here. Okay. So we are in a bearish trading range. So let me save my progress. Then we're going to label these trading ranges. So this is our swing low. This is our swing high. This is our breaker structure. All right. So now we're going to take our fib, and since we're in a bearish trading range, we are going to take our Fibonacci and mark it from the most recent high to the most recent low and find a 50% area. So price hasn't pulled back to the 50% area off of this last bullish bearish move here. So we're going to mark that 50% area here. And we're going to make this our sell zone. All right. And then we're going to mark it. So now we know where our 50% area. So now it gives us more clarity as to how far price can pull back before it continues in that direction. So now what we're going to do is we're going to turn on our cheat code indicator here and see where it lines up with everything drawn up. So we can see that this top Bollinger Band is very close to the structure. So price could pull back anywhere up to here and then go down. You see that price is sticking out of this Bollinger Band and giving us a cheat code buy. So we could have a decent counter trend buy go up to this structure and then sell down. So it lets us know we could catch the counter trend buy. Or we can wait for the retest and sell it down. But it just depends on where price ends up by the time the 9:30 candle closes. So what we're going to do is, let me do something here. So we're going to wait for the 9:15 candle to close. And then we're going to make our decision on, we're going to start planning our trades and alerts. And then when the 9:30 candle closes, we're going to strictly watch price action and try to get into the market at the perfect timing. So we have a little bit over 9 minutes before the 9:15 candle closes. So be right back. All right, so we've got about a little bit over, we've got about 10 seconds before the 9:15 candle closes. So my goal is to ultimately sell it. So I'm either going to catch the counter trend buy all the way up or to sell it down. So by the 9:30 candle, the price reaches up this structure, then I'm planning on selling it again at least 400 plus points of gold. This is TP1, 400 points. Looks like price is buying up now. It's here. And then ultimately get all this liquidity down here. It's going to be TP2 for 800 plus points. $800 plus points. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set my alerts, and then we'll see what happens. I'll be right back. All right, so I went ahead and set my alerts. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the 9:30 candle to close. So we got about a little bit over 11 minutes for that. We'll see exactly what price does in between there. That's going to pretty much let us know when we're going to try to get in for either a counter trend buy or sell in a continued direction. So we'll see. We have a little bit over 11 minutes, and we'll see what we get. Be right back. All right, so I went on ahead and did a sell because price is pushing back. So this was probably our counter trend buy here. So let's see how I do. We'll see. There we go. I made $38. I jumped out too quickly. I closed the trade too quickly, but that's okay. I'll take the $38. I was up at $60 profit. I not there. But price ended up selling. So it did this counter trend buy there, and then it continued to go. So that was good. So I'll go ahead and take the $38 profit. We don't want to mess up my capital. So let me document the results and I'll share them with you. All right, I documented my results. I still want to see what price ends up doing at the 9:30 candle. So we have a little bit over 5 minutes before that happens, so I want to see. So stay tuned, we got a little bit over 5 minutes. I decided to go in for a buy now. Looks like price is trying to go up. The 930 candle is going to be closing in a minute. Just want to give it a shot. Should have waited, but we'll see. We'll see. Looks like it's going up. 930 candle closing. Oh shoot. Hope it's not selling. It's buying up. Nice. I think it's selling now. Let me close it. Shoot. All right. Only negative $5, but I still made my money for the day because I took it out. It's going to go up. I said, here's on that. Let's see. I just want to see something here. Something might be selling. Go back there. Something foot. Stop thinking that. To do that, at least I know my money is put out. So let's just sell, make some of this money back. Yeah, make some of this money back. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. This money back. Let's go. 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 This money back. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Give me at least 100. At least 100. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. 120. 120. 112. Better. So I'm $16 back in positive. Hopefully I can deal with that. So $38 plus 16. $54 total. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and share my results with you guys. So let me share my screen here. So made it $38.50. So I took that out. And then jumped in the trade and lost that, but then made it back. So made another $16. So total $54. Let's see. $30 plus $30 plus 15. Yeah, about $53 to $54. So that's great. So what I'm going to do is you're going to withdraw that. I'm going to leave that $16 in there. So we did good. We suffered some losses, but then we got it back. So we're still, even though I was at $2,053, I'm a little bit in the hole, but at least I recovered some of it. So it's all good. So we'll recover them all. So that's it for this session, guys. And see you next time. Bye.